Everyone, everyone, say yes. So, guys, welcome me all to this class. Let me just check. This class. Hi, Dolly. How are you? I hope you are good, Dolly. That's very good. Let me just share the link, Dolly, so that everyone can join us. Let me just share it. Hi, Mahek. Good evening. What's your good name? KCGC. Hi, how are you? So, guys, I hope you guys are great. Basically, you guys are great. So let me just start the session. So, guys, before I start the session, I would thank all of you for joining me. And secondly, guys, you know that we have a banking super practice kit, a right practice at every level. Means we are having basically 1000+ test, 9 practice level, and beginner to advanced PO means. We also have a quant, we also have a reasoning, we also have a English and the current affairs. So I would recommend all of you to go and give this super practice kit. It is also included for the banking super elite aspirants. Secondly, we have a achievers batch. I always talk, I talk for every day, so you can go for it. Thirdly, guys, motivation, which is nothing because exams are coming nearby. So I don't think that any one of you needs a motivation to be like positive, because you guys are serious. So like this is not required basically, I would say. Is it right? Yes or no? Okay. So guys, today the topic is basically problems on ages, correct? First of all, let me just discuss some of the things. When I will be giving you the question, all the questions are basically previous year questions. Means either taken from, I have taken this question from 2017. Try and understand. I have taken this all question from 2017 to 2025, and you need to understand that what they are doing basically, they are asking the question from the part, wait a minute, they are just changing the language, and the questions are basically of the same type. They are just changing the language and the questions are basically of the same type. Means nothing, they are basically they are doing it like different. You see, mark, when I was preparing the PYQs now, I was just finding out, okay, they're not doing like something extraordinary. They are just taking the question, changing the language. Basically they are changing the language, nothing more than that. Okay, so let me now start the first question with you. So this is my first question, everyone. Can you please try? Can you please try? This is the first question, all of you. And it's a request. Do share the session. I think mic issue have been resolved. So please answer me. Okay, as usual, the first answers come from Mehak, and she is extraordinary. So we can't compare ourselves from the Mehak. She is something else, I would say. So guys, don't compare yourself with Mehak. She is from NASA. Yash is also just going to NASA. Yash, basically you are Abhishek. अच्छा, स्कैम चल रहा है ये तो। अभिषेक यहाँ महक यश बन जाता है। Anyone else? 41. Hi Sanatram, how are you? Okay, let's try. Come on. Let's try this question. How can you answer? The ratio of present age of Mitra to the age of Surya. This is my middle name, Mitra. You know, Agni Mitra. 3 years of Surya. After 3 years is 9:7. It's very important. Now, the ratio of present age of Mitra. So, M present, Surya plus 3 after 3 years is 9:7. So, I would write this is basically 9 and 7. Okay. This information is given to us. And the ratio of present age of Ravi to Mitra. So basically Ravi. So R for Ravi and to the Mitra. So I will write if the present age Mitra is basically 2 and this is basically 3. The problem is that here the Mitra is 9, here the Mitra is 3. So I need to make the Mitras equal because Mitras are not equal here. So how can I make this Mitra equal? I can make only the Mitras equal by multiplying this whole by 3. If I do so, here the Ravi will become 6 and the Mitra will become 9. Am I right? Say, so what I got now, so the point is that I got Mitra 0, Ravi 0 and Surya plus 3 ratio, which is simply 9:6 9:6:7. I think this much is clear to everyone. Nothing problem. Is it right? I don't think anybody is having problem. Now, if the sum of the present age of Ravi and Surya is 62 years and find the Ravi and Surya is 62 years, how can you figure it out? The present age of Ravi and Surya, 6 plus 7 minus 3. Can I say 6 plus 7 minus 3, which is 13. 13 is equal to 62. No. Yes. 6 plus 7 is equal to 8. It is basically 62, but from here you can say it will become 65. So 13 will become 65, 1 will become 5. Am I right? The moment 1 will become 5, this will become 45, this will become 30 and this will become 35. Now they are asking find the age of Mitra 4 years ago. 4 years ago means minus of 4. Minus of 4 means 41 is the age of Mitra. Am I right? So the correct answer is option number E. Please say yes or no. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to all of you? Those who join me right now, please say clear. Anyone is having problem, then do say, guys. Dolly, where is that? Please try. Let me just again, guys, I will request all of you to please share the session. 4, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Eight years. Again, Mehak. Again, I got answer from Mehak. Anyone else? Come on. I hope so. This is visible. 8. Okay. Means you guys are not sharing the session, I guess. Means you guys are not sharing the session, by the way. Okay, if you're not sharing, that is fine. So guys, see how we can solve this question first of all. The average age of Rommel and Tanvi is 32. Now guys, the sum would be what? If average, everyone try to understand the question. If average of Rommel and Tanvi is basically 32, the sum will be Rommel plus Tanvi is 64. Am I right? Yes. 6 year hence, the ratio. 6 year hence means from now, 6 year hence. 6 year hence, the ratio of Nitya means n plus 6 and Rommel means r plus 6 is exactly is 6 is to 7. If this is 6, this is basically 7. Is it right? So guys, see, the ratio is there. This is not the exact quantity. So I'll write down 6x and this I'll write down 7x. Okay. This should be clear. But can you also figure it out the present age, which is n naught and r naught? So n naught would be 6x minus 6 and r naught would be 7x minus 6. These are the present age of Nitya and Rommel. Tanvi is 2 years younger than Nitya. Tanvi is basically 2 years younger than Nitya. So basically 2 years younger than Nitya. So this would be how much? Minus of 2. This will be the age of Tanvi. So let me just write down here. Tanvi present age would be 6x minus 8. Is it clear? Tanvi present age would be this one. Please say. Now this thing is clear, guys. Nitya present age, Rommel present age and Tanvi present age. Okay. Now they are saying the difference between the present age of Rommel and Tanvi. I hope this much is clear to all of you. None of you is having a problem. Now they are saying that r plus t is 64 because we haven't used this point anywhere else. So we need to use this point. R plus t means this plus t. 13x minus of 14. So see, if I'll use this one and this one, so I'll write that 13x minus of 14 is equal to 64. Is this clear? So 13x would be equal to how much? 78. 13x would be equal to 78. The value of x directly you can get from here is 6. Now the moment you get the value of x 6, everything, this becomes how much? 6 6 are 36, this becomes 30. 7 6 are 42, this becomes 36. And 6 6 are 36 minus 8 becomes 28. Correct? They're asking what? Find the difference between the age of Rommel and Tanvi. Rommel and Tanvi, what is the difference? Difference is of, I would say how much? 8. 8. So answer is 8. Clear everyone? Those who have done, is it clear guys? Okay, very good Dolly. Please solve. Two to 3. Anyone else? Anyone else? The difference between the age of John and Tom is 24. John is the father of Ron, who is 24 years older than Ron. (14/23). Okay, let me try. This is very good question, by the way. First of all, the difference between the age of John and Tom. So let's imagine this is J, this is T. So John minus Tom is basically 24. This should be clear to all of you. John is the father of Ron, who is 24 years older than Ron. John is the father. Again, the difference between Tom and John, because T minus J is also 24. This is very important line which is given. Correct. Now from here, T is equal to 24. Sorry. From here, wait a minute. From here, T is equal to, T is what? J minus of 24. And from here, T is equal to 24 plus of J. Is it right? J minus 24 or J plus 24. You can also write the here like both should be same, which is J plus 24. So these are the Tom value which I can figure it out. I hope this is clear. Please say. I hope this much is clear. Okay. Now let's come. This is the one part of the question. The average age of John, Tom and Ron is 30. Average age is 30. Remember. Average age is 30. Then sum would be how much? Sum would be how much? Sum would be 60. Average age of John, Tom and Ron is basically 30. Then it would be how much? 30 into 3 is 90. So let's remember the sum would be John plus Tom plus Ron would be 30. Is it right? Okay. Now how we can use these equations to solve? Correct. Let's understand if John is x plus 24. Suppose if John is x plus 24, then because Ron would be then x. Correct. Because x plus 24, na? Correct or not? Is it right or not, everyone? Please say, guys. 90. Is this clear, everyone? This much. This is language is quite tough, so you need to understand the language, everybody. Then can you say what is the age of Tom then? Tom, no, the name is Tom. Tom age would be also x. 3x plus 24 equals to 90. The logic is done. 3x plus 24 is equal to 90. The value of x from here is, how much the value of x would be? 22, correct? So the value of x would be 22. You got this? Now the moment you got this, you can answer any of the things. Is it right? Say. So your this value is 22, your this value is 22, your this value will be 22 plus 56. Is this clear? This is clear, this is clear, this is clear. Find the ratio of age of Rom after 6 years. Rom after 6 years. Rom after 6 years will be what? To the present age of John. To the present age of John. John present age would be how much? Can you answer? John present age would be how much? John present age would be how much? Anyone? Find the ratio of age of Rom after 6 years. Rom after 6 years will become how much? Say, guys. Nobody is saying. Come on. Nobody is saying. You got these value, then I think you guys can answer. This would be 28:30. Yes or no? Which is how much? 14:15. But no, this is the wrong answer coming. That would be 12 is to 6, which is 1 is to 2. Anybody is having problem? 28, that's a great. Anybody is having problem? But I have one problem here. Can you say? I have one problem here. See, in the first case, I can also take Tom is equal to how much? X plus 48 also. Okay. Now, if I take x plus 4, try to understand, see the logic. This would be 3x plus 72 equals to 90. And from here, the value of x would be 6. Correct? So, if this is 6, this is 6, this is 30. Okay? Clear? Clear? I hope this is clear. So basically you got this answer, which is 12 is to 6. Rom is 6 year hence will be 12, and to the age of John will be again 20. Present age of John will be 20. How much? 12. Very good. Let's go for next question. Try this, come on. You are not liking the session. Do like the session, everyone. Do like it. You guys are not liking the session. That's very bad. Do like the session, everyone. And also you can share with your friends so that maximum people should understand. Okay, the answers are coming in ratios. $36, very different answer. Anyone? This was asked in 2025, okay? 2025. See how we can solve this question. Age of Anjana and Nisha 3 years ago. So let me write down. Anjana 3 years ago is to Nisha 3 years ago. The ratio is basically 5 is to 3. Try to understand. I'll give you one trick here. The ratio of age of Anjana 6 years hence and age of Nisha 8 years hence means Anjana 6 years hence is to Nisha 8 years hence. The ratio will be 16 is to 13. 16 is to 13. Correct? This much is clear. These are the ages. This much is clear. Okay. Now see, find the present age of Nisha. Now guys, see, when you are traveling from -3 to +6, draw a line. When you are traveling from, this is 0, -3, -2 and -1. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and so on. So from -3 to +6 when you are traveling, your traveling distance is basically 9. And from the -3 to +8 when you are traveling, your traveling distance is basically 11. Is this clear? This should be clear. And they're asking what? Find the present age. See, how will I find the present age? Try to understand each and every part. Then only you will understand the point. Okay? Is that everyone is getting? First of all, cross multiply this. First of all, Cross multiply means you need to cross multiply because ratio is given 16 threes and 13 fives. Okay, 65 minus 48. 65 minus 48 first of all. Okay, then you need to multiply because this is basically plus 11 and this is basically 9. So 16 into 11 will be 170 and 6 and 39 is 170. So minus of 170. They both are equal. Understand? How come? 17 is basically 59. So 1 would be equal to 59 by 17. Now they are asking what? Find the present age of Nisha. Present age of Nisha means Nisha ratio is basically 3. So if 1 is 59 by 17, then 3 would be 3 into 59 by 17. Am I right? Please say. Okay. Now approximately I would say this will go 3 times, and because she will be coming to the present age, plus 3 would be there. From minus 3 she would come to the plus 3. So plus 3. So the answer would be 12. Everyone is getting? That's very good. Is this clear? The answer would be 12. Everyone got this? Please say. Is this clear, everybody? That's very good. Because this question is being done, I would request all of you to like the session. Is it done, everyone? Understood? How this 9 and 11 cross multiplication, everything, please write down yes. If you have understood, then we'll go for next one. Okay, let's go for next. Please try. Do like the session, guys. Do like the session, everyone. Do like. This is one of the trick which I've guided you. And do share as well. Do like and do share. The ratio of A age after X years, B age before X years is 5:7. वो तो ट्रिक अभी बताया ना. हर चीज में तेरे को ट्रिक ही चाहिए क्या? Six 2/3 is the correct. Okay, let me just check whether it's correct or not. कभी कभी क्लास में बहुत अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं, कभी कभी क्लास में बच्चे ही नहीं होते हैं. क्यों भाई? Why like this? Ten. Some of you are saying 10. Anybody else? Understand the problem. I don't have any issue. मैच है तो पेपर निकल जाएगा तो बढ़िया है ना भाई. When you will qualify the paper, that would be nice ना. We got 10 as the answer. Sometime I do the flex also, na? See, I'm doing the flex. Okay, fine. Let me just. I do the flex often. The ratio of A age after X years. A age after X years means A plus X. And B after before. B minus X is basically 5/7. Is this true, everyone? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's one girl na that came into the latent. Have you seen, guys? The latent, there was one girl and somebody was asking the question and she said, yes, sir, like that. Have you seen that girl? I've seen her. I've seen her video in the Instagram when she was singing a song, a South Indian song. Basically, that was. If you guys follow her, I would recommend that follow. She is very funny, by the way. So, guys, again, see, come to the question. B present age is 20 year and A age after 4x is equal to the B present age. B present age is 20. So, B present age is basically 20. So, B naught is equal to 20 and A age after 4x year is equal to the B present age. So, A age after 4x is equal to the B present age. So, from here, can I say A would be equal to 20 minus 4x? Is this clear? Lucid. Okay, you watch every Yash. You are a very bad guy, by the way. You know, you are a bad guy, bro. That's very bad. So guys, again putting the value here, which is 20 minus of 4x minus of x, sorry, plus of x divided by 20 minus of x would be equal to 5 by 7. Just solving the question now. What is the value of x? Just figure it out. From here, the value of x would be, if you figure it out, it would be 5 by 2. They're asking find the A present age. A present age would be 20 minus 4 into 5 by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 5 2 ja 10. 10 is the answer. Cool guy. Is it right, everyone? Come on. I think that this is one of the best channels, I would say, where we do we do the funny things in English. I don't know in any other maths educator would do funny things in English. They would also they always do something like things in Hindi. I've seen some of them. Chamka, like they say chamka ki nahi chamka, like that. Solve. No, please don't say. Please don't say like that. This is not like boring class. They do the they prefer their language for doing the fun. I prefer my language doing the fun, you know. But the thing is that the Hindi students will come now, they'll understand that English is very important. Means the point is that they'll also understand that maths can be also taught fully in English, you know, and it's basically that is in quite fun way. No issue, but that is a quite challenging thing for everyone, understanding maths in the English. We got different answers again. There was one joke. If you will say, I'll crack it. There was one joke I have in my phone. I'll crack that. Yes, see, Nilaksh is saying Mahakal ki kasam. Yeah, I'm just remembering out that. What was the joke? Please do it, guys, if you are doing it. Yes, your answer was wrong, by the way. So you can do it if you want to do it again. Because I'm teaching in English now, so I should also remember some of the jokes in English as well. Mm, I need to see that. You guys please solve. Huh. There was nice joke. I have like see, I have a screenshot of that. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Why was 6 afraid of 7? Please, can you say why was 6 afraid of 7? You know why? This is again a joke, guys. See, you said so, that's why I cracked out. Okay, that was not meant to be. And okay, so see, the answer is quite funny in the English, because understand, because 7, 8, 9. And guys, say wah wah wah, because this is very good joke. I cracked out. Okay, so that's quite nice. Let's come to the question now. Okay, so nice, nice everyone. Nice. So the present age of Pawan and Dhavni. We have one student in the class. Her name is Dhavni also, but I don't know why don't she come in the class, because I teach English in English also. If Pawan is P, Dhavni would be 1.2 P. This much is clear. Now, the 12-year ago, the age of Pawan. 12-year ago, the age of Pawan will be ago. P minus 12 is equal to half the age of Dhavni. Half the age of Dhavni means half the present age of Dhavni means 1.2 P minus of 12. Can you just figure it out, the value of P from here? Just solve the value of P from here would be 15, because I know the ninja technique of solving the equation. So that's why I use it right now. You can also use it. Okay. Now they're asking that find the 13 years, the age of Dhavni. Pawan after 13 years. Pawan after 13 years would be P naught would be 15 plus a 13. 15 plus 13 is 28. Is it right? And this is 28, and they're asking the Dhavni 6 year. Dhavni 6 year will be 18 plus 6. Dhavni 6 year will be 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is how much? Plus 2 is 20 and plus 2 is 24. Is it right? So basically we are getting like 28 is to 24, which is 6, 14. No. We are getting what? 28 is to 24 means 14 is to 12. Okay. This is 14 is to 12 and this is 7 is to 6 is the answer. Is it true? Very fast. Because very fast, because we like given a lot of time there. Yes. One more joke. Why bicycle cannot stand on their own? Come on. Why bicycle cannot stand on their own? You haven't given the answer. I'm just cracking out the joke. Why bicycle cannot stand on their own? One by two. Okay, some of you are giving answer like 1/2. Why? Why 1/2? Try. Why bicycle cannot stand on their, somebody asked me that why bicycle cannot stand on their own. The answer would be it's too tired. 1/2. It's why bicycle cannot stand on their own. The answer, it's too tired. It's too tired. Nice, yeah, nice. Good one, Aman. 1/2. Okay, guys, please like and share to all of your friends. That would be great. Let me solve this question once more. Yeah, appreciate me, Yash. Don't make faces like that. I'll again apply the trick over here and answer this question, guys. So basically 5 years ago, the age of Adik is double the age of Bhuvan. 5 years. So A minus of 5 is to B minus of 5 would be equals to 2:1. 5 year hence means A plus 5 and B plus 5. So A plus 5 is to B plus 5. The ratio of ages would be 8:5. Now guys, again my ninja technique. What is my ninja technique? From -5 to +5, the distance would be traveled from here to here is +10. From here to here is +10. Cross multiply everyone. How can you cross multiply this? First of all, what do you need to do? Come on, say. Cross multiply means 5 2s are 10. Now first of all do this one. 5 2s are 10 and 8 1s are 8. 5 2s are 10, 8 1s are 8. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, which is equal to 8 tens are, let me just change the color of marker, which is equal to 8 multiplied by 10 and 5 multiplied by 10, which is 80 minus 50, 30. 2 is equal to 30, 1 is equal to 15. Is this clear? If this much is known, then A minus 5 is 30 because 15 2s are 30 and B minus 5 is 15. Okay. Sorry, sir. Is it true, everyone? I hope you got this. Why you are saying sorry, bro? It's very bad. Okay, na? Okay. Now, Bhuvan and Ramesh is 103 years. Bhuvan and Ramesh is 103. Let me just think about it. Present age would be 35 and this would be how much? 20. Then the sum is basically 103. Then other would be 48. Am I right? Or not? Clear na? But they're not asking this one. They're asking what? Find the ratio of age of Bhuvan 2 year hence. Bhuvan 2 year hence means 22 is 2. Ramesh 4 year ago. 48 minus 4 is 44. Correct? 1:2 is the answer. Easy. You need to try this much only. Anybody is having doubt that how this 48 came? This 48 because of using this line. Adik, Bhuvan and Ramesh is 103. Adik, Bhuvan and Ramesh 103. So that's why I use this line. Say guys. Should we crack one more joke? Come on, answer me. You can answer. Come on, guys. Yesterday, nobody commented on the video of time, speed, distance. Yesterday, basically, nobody commented on the video time, speed, distance. That's very bad, by the way. Very bad. This much people are watching me. Why don't you guys are liking? Oh, everyone. Come on, answer me, guys, fast. Everybody, just write down. Write down. Do it fast. अच्छा जोक भी चाहिए. Okay. Okay, let me just search the second joke. But you need to answer. When a teacher called his student average, the joke is when teacher called his students average. Now this is, please appreciate this, okay? Please appreciate everyone. This is very important. This is my creation. Please. When teacher calls his student average. Student reply. You know what? Student reply. You know what does student reply? How mean. Now this is very deep. This is very deep. You know this meaning mean? Answer of this question is how much? 41. Anyone got? This is salute to me, guys. I'm a maths teacher, so I'll always crack a joke on the part of the maths only. Thank you everyone. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoying the class. Still laughing. Is it okay? Dolly, why are you getting okay, sir? Because this is a nice joke. Now you should appreciate my thinking. You all should appreciate my thinking, everyone. That see how good joke it is. This is a kind of DI only. Okay, guys. So I think you got this question. This question is very good. 41 is the correct answer. Till then, Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Can you answer this? Fast. Oh, Yash, why are you laughing always? Fast. The same method. Same method, everyone. Same method. What is the answer? Mahek is not interested in answering the question. That's nice, Mahek. Oh, Mahek just answered. So guys, this is a homework. I would request that all of you can answer this in the comment section. Don't write down, write straight away right now, okay? Okay, you. Okay. Now I guess you guys are enjoying my YouTube classes. I hope you guys are enjoying my YouTube classes. Okay. Just you can write one of your favorite jokes in the comment section and I'll give a pledge. Okay. Okay, Dolly, you enjoyed today only. Okay, Dolly, thank you, Dolly, for enjoying the class. I hope you really enjoy. And guys, you see, those who are learners, I would recommend that please follow the English course of maths. Because you are getting something edge in your language as well, because you're studying English and you're studying maths and English. It will help you a lot. I think you guys have really enjoyed. Do follow, like, share, and don't forget to follow me on my Insta handle, which is what was my Insta handle? Fit with teacher. Okay, right. You can follow me on my Insta handle. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care. Signing off, Agnimitra. Bye everyone.